Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, we've got a quick pit stop today. Where are we?
We are going to the Sapulpa Fire Museum.
Let's go adventuring! The Sapulpa Fire Museum is located at 124 East Lee Avenue and is housed in what used to be the Standard Motor Supply Building. While the building is not a working fire station, it does contain 2 retired fire trucks that are mostly used today for parades. There are quite a few interesting artifacts here, and the life net was the most intriguing to me. I've seen these used in cartoons, but never realized they were actually used in real life. This was a horse-drawn fire cart to hold all the different ladders. It holds ladders, hoses, water buckets. Looks like they even have a stretcher. These hose carts would just be located around cities, so they would be easy for the fire department to get to when they needed a hose.
Sapulpa, at its birth in 1885, became fire conscious. There were volunteer firemen used, and in 1907, the first salaried firemen were employed. In 1909, Sapulpa was the second city in the U.S. to own a power-driven fire truck. These boxes were used to notify the fire department of a fire before the general availability of telephone usage. They were installed typically on street corners, with each box having its own box number, and each box with its number was located on a map in the central fire station.
So up in the
top
level here is where you would have your sleeping quarters.
I'd say it's like a fireman's loft.
Then once you get the fire call,
Down the fire pole.
down the pole, put on your equipment, and then hopping into the fire truck. Then sirens. Adventurers, this concludes our pit stop to the Sapulpa Fire Museum.
Where we learned a lot and we got a stamp in our passport book. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more of our videos, please head over to our YouTube channel and hit the subscribe button, and then head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure.